Hello everyone! Welcome to the Digital Lion channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you great tricks and tips for successfully managing social networks. Let's make the whole process of managing social networks easier. Organization is half the job. Applying these techniques, you will improve the pages of different social networks. I will show you 12 websites for the design and organization of social managing. First website, Hootsuite. Social is your superpower. Next website is Soho Social. Next website is Napoleon Cat. Next website is Social Amp. Next website is Uber Circle. Next website is Buffer. Next website is Friends Plus Me. Next website is Proud Social. Next website is Later. Next website is Skid Social. Next website is Social Pilot. Next website is TweetDeck. After these 12 websites, it's easier, isn't it? And now we are going to talk about creativity and design. Where do we find inspiration? First, you can choose a topic based on the comments of your followers. They always write about topics that interest them. Do a quiz and ask the audience what they would like to write about in the next post. Find inspiration from the competition, but don't copy them. Do the story in your own way and experience. Watch daily tutorials on YouTube and constantly improve. In the hashtag section, in Instagram stories, follow creative pages on networks. Search, talk to your followers, look at your DM. Tips for better reach. Write a good story. Publish content every day. Include data in posts. Example, 100 grams of nuts for better brain function. Ask the audience to share your content. Use hashtag meaningfully and related to the topic you are writing about. Recreate old posts. Develop a relationship with your audience. Visual identity. IGTV video. Giveaway. Sponsorship. I hope you will try some of these tips and grow up your social networks. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe on channel, click on bell and share with friends. See you in the next video. Bye.